Ever sat there watching a little dot spin while your AI agent slowly wakes up? Round and round it goes while you just wait. That wait is basically gone now. Hermes just cut its start time by around 80%. And honestly, that's the smallest thing in this update. Let's get into what actually changed. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So first, quick refresher on what Hermes even is. Hermes is an open source AI agent built by New Research, and their own line for it is the agent that grows with you. You can run it in your terminal, in a desktop app, or as a gateway, meaning it can live directly inside Discord, Telegram, Slack, or WhatsApp, wherever you're already spending your day. It uses tools, runs commands, remembers your work, and hands jobs off to smaller helper agents called sub-agents when a task needs more than one set of hands. You point it at a task, walk away, and come back to the work actually being done. Not half done, not stuck somewhere in the middle. Done. Now let's talk about the update itself. This is Hermes Agent version 0.19 and it landed on July 20th. People are already calling it the Quicksilver release, and since Hermes is literally named after the messenger god, the whole theme here is speed. The size of this update is honestly a bit mad. Since the last major version, there were around 2,245 commits, over 1,000 merged pull requests, around 3,300 issues closed, and more than 450 people contributed to it. That's the biggest contributor window this project has ever had, and it shows in just how much change in one release. So what's actually new? First up, raw speed. Starting up used to eat about 4.3 seconds before your first message even reached the model. Now it's about 0.9 seconds. That's roughly an 80% cut, and it hits everything across the board: the command line, the gateway, the terminal app, the desktop app, and even scheduled jobs running in the background. If you've ever sat there waiting for an agent to boot up before you could even type your first message, that entire wait is basically gone now, and it makes the whole experience feel completely different to use. Second, you can now watch it, think. Reasoning streams live by default, so no more staring at a spinner for 30 seconds wondering if it broke or if it's actually working. The reply also paints out token by token instead of line by line, so the whole thing feels alive instead of frozen. That might sound like a small visual change, but when you're actually running these agents all day, seeing it think in real time makes it way easier to catch a bad prompt early instead of waiting for a wrong answer at the end. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Third, the desktop app got more than 20 speed fixes packed into one update. Long replies used to burn 14 times more processing power in the text engine than they do now. Big code changes used to freeze the review panel entirely. Switching between chats used to stutter and lag. All of that's been sorted in this release. And if you've used Hermes before and found the desktop app clunky, this update alone is worth going back to check out. Now here's a genuinely useful one. Smart approvals are the default now. When Hermes wants to run a flagged command, another model reviews it instead of pinging you every single time to approve something manually. Each verdict only covers that exact command too, so nothing slips through later just because it matches a similar pattern. You can also write your own deny rules that block certain commands no matter what. And there's a new deny command where you type out the reason and the agent actually reads that reason and corrects itself going forward, instead of just repeating the same mistake. Your keys also stop living in a plain text file, which honestly should have happened a while ago. Hermes can now pull secrets straight from Bitwarden and 1Password across multiple vaults at once with a clear priority order, and it tells you exactly which vault each key came from. If you've ever had an agent setup where your API keys were just sitting in a config file somewhere, this update closes that gap properly. You can also watch your sub-agents work now. When Hermes hands out a task to a helper agent, you get a live transcript file for each worker, every tool call, every result, every reply, streaming as it happens in real time. And if the process restarts halfway through for whatever reason, the results actually survive instead of vanishing into nothing, which used to be a real problem with long-running agent tasks. There is a fix in here that's a genuinely clever solve to an annoying problem. It's called the delivery ledger. There used to be a gap where the agent finished its reply, the gateway died at exactly the wrong moment, and that answer just disappeared into nothing, gone for good. No way to get it back. Now, every final response gets written to a durable ledger and gets redelivered the next time it starts back up, so nothing you were waiting on actually goes missing anymore. Small fix on paper, but if you've ever lost a finished piece of work to a dropped connection right at the last second, you know exactly why this one matters more than it sounds. A few more things worth knowing. One gateway can now route different channels to different profiles, each with its own config, skills, memory, and keys, so you're not stuck running one flat setup for everything. Fireworks, AI, and Deep Infra joined as providers. The model list picked up several new options, including GPT 5.6, Grok 4.5, Kimi K3, Claude Fable 5, and Claude Sonnet 5. Reasoning effort got two new levels called Max and Ultra, and you can set that per model depending on the task. And you can export your whole session history as Markdown, HTML, or training-ready traces, with an option to scrub your secrets out on the way, which matters if you're planning on reusing or sharing that history anywhere. So who actually needs to pay attention to this? If you're a creator, a solo operator, or a small team juggling a bunch of different tools every day, this is for you. If you've tried agents before and gave up because they were slow, clunky, or lost your work halfway through a task and left you frustrated, this update genuinely fixes a lot of exactly that. The combination of a faster startup, live reasoning you can actually watch as it happens, safer key storage, and work that survives a crash instead of vanishing into thin air, that's the real difference between an agent you experiment with once and forget, and one you actually build a working routine around. A couple of quick things before you dive in. Update first. Since everything covered here only exists in the newest version, leave live reasoning switched on because watching the thinking makes it obvious the moment your prompt is off. Move your keys into Bitwarden or 1Password early, since migrating later is more of a hassle than doing it upfront. And write 2 or 3 deny rules for commands you never want run using the deny reason so the agent actually learns from it instead of repeating the same mistake down the line. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.